Did you know a chimpanzee is about 7 times as strong as a human? They would love this next recipe. We're making mini banana fritters. These are gluten-free with no added sugar and they taste delicious. All you need is 2 eggs, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 large bananas, and a little bit of oil or butter. First thing you do is whisk your eggs together. So get a bowl, crack them in, and put them in your compost. 2 eggs, and then put them away. And then get a little pinch of baking powder, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. If you have a measurement for that, that's amazing, but you can just have a wee pinch, and then whisk it with a fork. The next thing we will do is mash our bananas, so pop that aside for now. I find that actually using a plate's really good to kind of mash these up. So take 1 banana, and then we'll half the other one. So we have 1.5 bananas, and then take them off, mash away, and while we're mashing this, just preheat your pan. I've got mine on like a medium heat. Mash them up, another fork, and obviously the kind of older the bananas, the more easier they will be to mash. And the fresher they are, if you've got green bananas, then this might be a little bit more trouble, but yellow bananas are great. Okay, mashing up, pop them into our egg mixture. The more you mash them, the better. I'll probably mash them with a tiny bit more. And then pop them in and mix around. Alrighty. These will be the base of our beautiful fritters. Okay, I have got my pan at the ready, and I'm just gonna take a kind of a wee tablespoon and spoon them on. Oh, first things first, add a bit of oil so they don't stick. Spoon these on, like that. And have another one, and one more. There we go, and try and make them equal sizes. Perfect. Now, while those are cooking, what we're looking for when we kind of flip them over is we want to get them to form a little skin underneath, and then you'll kind of feel like when you put your spatula, you'll be able to flip it over because it'll be nice and firm underneath. So while you're waiting for that, let's get on to presentation. Take your other half of your banana and chop it up so we can have some banana in the middle of our pancake stack. Open that banana up, take the straggly bits off, then cut on an angle like this. And you can add berries as well, whatever you want on your pancakes. I love bananas, so I'm just doing bananas today. Let's see if they've got a wee skin underneath. So you can see here that I can flip it over. Very careful now. Well, actually, I might wait a little bit longer. Let's see if we can flip one over. They are slippery. Here I go. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Flip. Oh, not bad for my first one. Here I go. Oh yes. And the third one. Oh, that was marginal. But, you know, we can work on it. Pancakes are never great the first time. Second time, third time, they'll be so much better. While they're cooking, get a plate, get your stacks ready, get your bananas, and if you've got maple syrup, that'll be a good way for presentation as well. Clean your bench. Okay, I reckon let's stack them up. Once you turn them over, they'll be way more easier, they'll be way faster to cook. Oh, put a little stack of banana on. Add the second one. Add some more banana. Add a third one. And you have got yourself a delicious banana fritter. Take this, little bit of maple syrup. Oh, how delicious does that look? Oh, so good. You can make these for your family one Saturday or Sunday for breakfast. I bet they will be impressed with that. Remember, Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand teaching Kiwi kids how to make sure the food that we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole whānau. And it's free thanks to New World.